Zeal without knowledge is fire without light. Thomas Huxley. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss vocabulary, a new word. The new word we are going to discuss today is pious. Pious. The pronunciation for this word is Pious. 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 Pious is an adjective because it describes a noun. It gives more information about a noun. So, it is said to be an adjective. Look at the meaning for the word pious. Having or showing a deep belief in religion. Strongly believing in religion and living in a way that shows this belief. Having or showing a dutiful spirit of reverence for God or an earnest wish to fulfill religious obligation. If someone is deeply religious and visibly follows all the moral and ethical codes of his religion, he is pious. Someone who is pious is very religious and moral. Now, we are going to see the synonyms for the word pious. Pious means religious, reverent, spiritual, holy. All these words are the synonyms for the word pious. So far, we have learnt the meaning, pronunciation, and synonyms for the word pious. Now, we are going to see how to use the word pious in a sentence. Look at this example. Please don't become a priest if you are not prepared to live a pious life. It means, please don't become a priest if you are not prepared to live a religious life or spiritual life or holy life. Number 2, Ram's attitude is compassionate without being pious. Ram's attitude is compassionate without being spiritual, without being holy. In this class, we have dealt the meaning, synonyms, pronunciation, and usage of the word pious. Pious means having or showing a deep belief in religion. A religious person is said to be a pious man. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.